So what's a US-based chocolate manufacturing company? You're from Asante Cocoa. Ghana ni a wakɔ akɔtena US na abie saa adwuma no. Na chocolate yi wokɔ America deɛ ne baabi a Asante chocolate ɛno ne papa paa US ɔmo tɔ paa. Na nkyɛn biara na ɔba bɛpiem wɔ manhyia a ɔne yɛwura di nsawɔsoɔ pɛ sɛ ɔbɛbie factory no bi wɔ Kumasi. Na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bi a afei na Americafoɔ kɔtena America no ayɛ daabi. Ɔpɛ sɛ ɔba bɛtena Asantemam ɛyɛ Kumasi na ɔbie factory na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ anika na ɔman anaasɛ Asanteman ne ɔmo wɔ Kumasi nso anya adwuma ayɛ. Nti mfonyin a ɛretwa gu yi nyinaa ɛyɛ ɛsan company a ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔba bɛbie cocoa production company ni bi wɔ Ghana ha Kumasi a yɛfrɛ no Asante chocolate no. Wɔn na abɔ mmɔden aba abɛhyia yɛwura pɛ sɛ wɔn ne yɛwura ɛyɛ adwuma. Na wohwɛ sɛdeɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ so a kyɛ sɛ kama paa na ɛyɛ me dɛ yɛ ma ahohoahoa sɛ wɔanya ho adwene na wɔpɛ sɛ wɔn ba bɛyɛ saa adwuma yi. Na woyɛ Asanteni a anaasɛ wowɔ Asanteman mu a na wɔn ani agye ɛsiane sɛ companies akɛseɛ sei na yɛhwehwɛ ɛwɔ Asanteman mu. Nti na kyerɛ sɛ wote a deɛ tie ɛwɔ hɔ no. Yɛmmɔ mmɔden na yɛmmɔ mpaeɛ sɛ wɔmbɛhyɛ aseɛ na wɔayɛ factory no. Saa na ɛteɛ ɛwɔ hɔ.
About 85% of Americans will give chocolate and candy this Valentine's Day, and that has a lot of local chocolate shops gearing up for the rush.
Hope I'm in that 85% on the receiving end.
I was thinking that, yeah.
Cornelia Nicholson spent the morning making chocolate with our town's only black-owned chocolate company.
Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and Coco Asante is prepping sweet treats for, like Mary J said, your sweet thing.
We've been prepping since January. Yeah, it's been a while. We typically start prepping about a month and a half prior.
Coco Asante creates artisan chocolate using cacao sourced from owner Ella Livingston's home country of Ghana. She was inspired to bring chocolatey delicacies to Chattanooga after studying abroad.
I still remember the taste. I remember the experience. I remember how it felt melting in my mouth. And it literally was like a life-changing moment. And so I wanted to just recreate that for my customers through Coco Asante.
Coco Asante officially launched on Valentine's Day in 2021, and they've been growing ever since.
So we went from being able to do a max capacity of maybe 150 boxes to now our max capacity is about 900 and something boxes.
Livingston, her brother Kofi, and head chocolatier Sarah are busy crafting chocolate they say is almost too pretty to eat, like their selection of chocolate bars with flavors like 24K Gold and bonbons.
And each one of our bonbon flavors supports or features a key ingredient from either a black-owned company, a woman-owned company, a local company, or a veteran-owned company. And we're excited to be able to provide that to the Chattanooga community.
One of their fan favorites is the breakable heart. You can break it open for a chocolatey surprise. Livingston is not only satisfying the sweet tooth of Scenic City residents, but being a representation, as she's the only black-owned chocolate company in Chattanooga. She tells me about the time a young black girl recognized her from a magazine article.
You could just see the excitement on her face to know that there I was, someone who looked like her, who was doing something so fun as making chocolate. And so I think it was in that moment that I realized how important it was what I was doing and the representation that I was bringing to the industry.
Livingston is looking to the future. She says the goal is to source cacao directly from her family's farm in Ghana this year, becoming one of the few companies in the world to be bean to bar. Well, the big day is just a couple of days away. Ella says it's not too late to get a little something for your special person. We have more information on Coco Asante over on our website. In Chattanooga, Cornelia Nicholson, Local 3 News.